Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start an online business with no previous experience. I'm also going to share with you how you can get free training to get started and jumpstart your new year on the right track. So stay tuned. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome aboard. My name is Pilar Newman and I'm a previous Amazon FBA seller. I've sold millions on Amazon and now I help people with affiliate marketing. I show you how to sell digital products and affiliate offers online with little to no money and with no previous experience. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make when starting their online business is they think they need a bank loan, or they need to go and borrow money from friends and family, or they believe they need an investor to get started, when in reality, there are ways to start for free where you can validate your idea and actually get an injection of cash before you even launch your business. So the first step in getting started is to have a big business idea. Now, when I say that, a lot of people think, well, I need to have a new or innovative business idea, when in fact, you really just need to have an idea that's already proven itself to be successful. So here's an example of what I mean. Now, on this channel, I talk a lot about rebate apps and earning cash back rewards. Well, there are people out there that are willing to pay you $20, $30, $40 for you to put that information in a very nice, neat area for them, so that they don't have to go searching the entire internet for that information. So it's really a no-brainer big business idea, because people are going to buy that product if they know that they're going to earn hundreds of dollars more on a small investment. So for 30 bucks, they're going to actually make more money than that. So think of your big business idea. That is step number one. Now, don't get frightened by the word big. That simply means there's an audience out there already. They're waiting to buy from you. And now I'm going to share with you where you go and find that audience. Now, there are two routes you can go in order to get your traffic. The first one is organic traffic, and the second one is through paid ads. Now, I did say at the beginning of this video that this requires no experience and no money, so don't worry about doing ads. We're going to get started with organic traffic. Now, I personally love organic traffic because it's a free way to get people who are interested in your product to come and find you, but there's a slow way to do organic traffic, and then there's the supercharged fast way. So the slow way to do organic traffic is to start a blog, and I can't even believe I'm saying that because I personally have a blog. But if you have more time and you really want to build out more traffic sources, then you eventually want to have a blog. But if you're trying to make money right this second, then this next way is going to help you get your traffic. So let me share with you my real experience of how I got tons of organic traffic to my new online business. Now, a few years back, I was selling my knowledge on how to sell on Amazon. Now, I had 13 years of experience under my belt, and the way I did this was I went out and I found influencers within my niche who were already attracting the audience that I wanted to sell to, which were people who were interested in selling on Amazon to earn extra money. I started getting interviewed on podcasts. I then started getting interviewed on niche websites, and then I started writing guest blog posts for these influencers. I was able to tap into their audience of tens of thousands of people who were interested in selling on Amazon. And guess what? When I was ready to place an offer in front of them, a lot of them said yes to my offer. Now, not everyone's going to be interested in reaching out to influencers and getting traffic that way. That's okay. I'm going to share with you my next best recommendation. It's the way that I jump-started my third online business, which is affiliate marketing, and that was to start a YouTube channel. You can get started on YouTube for free, and you can tap into the audience of people who are already watching YouTube videos. It's my favorite way to get affiliate sales. And if you want to jumpstart an online business, this is another great traffic source to consider. So now you have your big business idea, you're getting organic traffic, and now what do you sell and how do you sell it? So when it comes to selling online, there's the traditional way to do this, which is going to cost you a lot of time and money. And then there's the new method, which is going to get you up and started in your online business much faster. And it's going to produce an influx of money right away. So the traditional way that you do this is you have a website where you have an order page and you kind of come up with something that you think people may want from you. And you just kind of wait and pray and hope that people will find your page and buy your offer. But with the new method, you know exactly what your audience wants. You create a one-page funnel and you funnel them through an order process that is going to increase your order value and make more money for you in the long run. Now, at the beginning of this video, I shared with you where you can get free training to start your online business. Now, if you have absolutely no idea what product you're trying to sell, if you have no tech skills, and if you have no idea what a funnel is, then you can start the 5-day challenge. This is going to be a live challenge. It is time sensitive because it starts October 10th and it runs through October 14th. It is free for now, but who knows how long that is going to last. And if you guys know who Shark Damon John is, well, he's a special guest in the training. He, along with other leaders in the industry, are going to show you how to launch your online business in 5 short days. You can check out the registration link. It's underneath this video. Check it out, sign up before it fills up. I'll see you on the other side.